In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a border to a page in Microsoft Word using the free online version of Microsoft 365. This simple yet effective task can give your documents a polished and professional look, and we'll walk through it all in just 5 minutes. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the free online version of Microsoft 365. You can do this by opening a web browser and searching for Microsoft 365 Free Online. Once you find the web page, go ahead and click on it. This service is provided by Microsoft and allows anyone to use their Office tools for free on the web, which is fantastic for both personal and business use. Next, you'll need to sign in. If you already have a Microsoft account, simply click on Sign In, which should be easy to spot on the web page. Enter your credentials and you'll gain access to all the Office applications available. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one directly from the page you're on so you can follow along with us seamlessly. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of available apps. Click on Word. This will open up the Microsoft Word web application where you can create new documents or work on existing ones. With Word open and ready, our next step is to actually open a document. You can do this by either creating a new document or selecting one you've previously saved. For the purposes of this demonstration, feel free to start with a blank document to experiment and follow along. With your document open, we now want to focus on adding that page border. Look towards the top of the page where you'll find various menu options. Locate Layout or your document setup, and within that section, find and click on Border Options. This is where the magic happens. Once you click on it, a dialog box or menu should appear, showcasing all the different settings and customizations you can apply to the border you're about to create. In the border options, you'll see a small arrow that allows you to expand and access additional settings. Click on that arrow. This will give you more choices and flexibility in terms of the style, thickness, and color of your border. Take a moment to explore those settings, as they can help you create a look that matches your document's theme or purpose. Now let's select a border. You should see a variety of styles, from simple lines to decorative art borders. Choose one that fits your needs by clicking on it. Don't forget to preview how it will look on your document before applying it, ensuring it's exactly how you envisioned. And that's it. You have now successfully added a border to your page in Microsoft Word using its online version. Practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different styles until you achieve the perfect look. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial both helpful and straightforward. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. Happy document designing.